Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 04 Celsius. Altimeter 3014. Remarks. Density altitude 700. Shreveport Downtown Airport, Shreveport, Louisiana. Automated weather observation 1816 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 04 Celsius. Altimeter 3014. Remark.
Downtown ground, Cessna 24153 with the weather, IFR clearance to Alpha Whiskey Mike.
24153 downtown ground, clear to the Alpha Whiskey Mike Airport as filed. Climb maintain 2000, expect 5000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.9er, squawk 2347.
Cessna 24153 is cleared as filed, climb to 2, expect 5 and 10, departures 19.9 and squawking 2347 for Cessna 24153.
So 24153, read correct?
Alright, that's good, clear left. And let's start. And ground Cessna 24153 is coming out of the GA parking, ready taxi.
So 25153 downtown ground, taxi runway 14 via taxiway Delta and Foxtrot.
Delta Foxtrot 214 for 24153. You guys ready?
Yeah.
You ready, babe?
Yes.
All right. And tower Cessna 24153 is holding short of 14, ready to go, sir.
This is 24153 downtown tower, hold short of runway 14.
Hold short 14 for 24153. Yeah, he's probably giving me a minute.
Says 153, turn righting 170, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right turn 170 for 24153. All right. Next year is going full rich. We're at 180 plus 14. Okay, 180 is set. Gauges are in the green. Airspeed is alive, 40. $180 plus 5 is $680.
Urban 368 has the Papa home short 14 ready for departure.
United 368 Hotel Papa downtown tower, left or right downwind departure, either way, runway 14 cleared for takeoff.
14 clear for takeoff, 368 Hotel Papa, either one approved.
And what's going to be your course heading?
Stand by 1 second, 368 Hotel Papa.
Roger. Says 153, contact Shreveport departure.
Over to departure for 24153, good day.
On course will be...
Alright, 170.
United 8 Hotel Papa, roger, turn right on course.
Right on course, 368 Hotel Papa.
And departure Cessna 24153 out of downtown, climbing through 1,900, heading 170.
Number
24153, Shreveport departure radar contact, turn left on course, climb maintain 5000.
Left on course up to 5,000 for 24153. Okay, power set.
153, contact Fort Worth Center, 128.2.
28.2 for 24153. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, forward center, we're at 5,000.
Fort Worth Center, Cessna 24153 at 5,000.
Number 24153, Fort Worth Center, roger. Elevator altimeter 3015.
3015 for 24153.
Yeah, we'll stay with you for a few more minutes.
No problem. November 24153, contact Memphis Center, 135.87.
3587 for 24153. Good day.
Yep. Damage at 821, contact Fort Worth Center, 126.7.
Memphis at 5,000. Memphis Center.
Memphis Center, Cessna 24153 at 5,000.
Memphis Center, Cessna 7432 Sierra with you at 5,500.
All right, you can call now.
Heading 568, contact Memphis Center 132.42.
Memphis Center, Cessna 24153 at 5,000.
November 24153, how do you hear Memphis?
5 by 5 now for 24153. We're level 5,000.
153, thank you. Pine Bluff altimeter 3008.
08 for 24153.
153, change my frequency 135.3, please.
35.3 for 24153. 35.3. And 24153 is on 35.3. Smooth right here, sir, ever since above 5,200 has been smooth.
153, roger, thank you, Marie. Memphis altimeter is 3002.
02 for 24153.
November 24153, descend and maintain 6,000.
Down to 6,000 for 24153.
And checking in on answer, say again. November 24153, contact Memphis approach on 119.1. Have a good day.
5 0
119.1 for 24153.
3000 for remarks. Density altitude 900.
West Memphis Municipal Airport.
2025. Wind 300 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 21 Celsius. Dew point 02 Celsius. Altimeter 3000. For remarks. Density.
FedEx 3 to heavy Memphis departure radar contact, climb maintain 16,000.
Municipal Airport.
Automated weather observation 2026 Zulu. Wind variable at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
United 1346 again.
All right, we got it.
United 1346 departure radar contact, climb maintain 16,000. FedEx 541 heavy contact Memphis Center 135.3. FedEx 723 heavy contact Memphis Center 135.3.
Memphis approach Cessna 24153 level 6000 with the weather at our destination. Would like to request ILS 17 from Gilmore VOR.
Number 24153, Memphis approach, altimeter 3002. What was your request again?
ILS 17 from Gilmore VOR.
Number 153, expect Gilmore in about 12 miles.
Roger, 24153.
November 24153, clear to Gilmore VOR, descend and maintain 4000.
Clear direct Gilmore down to 4000 for 24153.
Friendly.
5636, operator.
November 153, descend and maintain 3000, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound, altitude indicates 4500.
Looking for the traffic down to 3000 for 24153. 1,000 feet above.
November 153, traffic now 1 to 2 o'clock, less than a mile, indicating 4500.
Right
Inside no factor for 24153.
Number 24153, roger. And you're 20 miles from Gilmore, across Gilmore, at or above 3000, cleared ILS runway 17 approach, West Memphis Airport.
Gilmore at or above 3000, we're cleared for the ILS 17 into West Memphis for 24153.
Cessna 24153, just verify you've already received your approach clearance, correct?
Yes, sir, you cleared us for the approach from Gilmore.
Number 153, roger. And there's currently no traffic observed between you and West Memphis. And change to advisor frequency approved. Just report your IFR cancellation this frequency or on the ground via 121.7.
Roger, we'll cancel right before it ends shortly here. We'll switch over to CTAP for 24153. West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 is on the ILS 17 outside of Palin on a 12-mile final for runway 17 full stop, West Memphis. Approach Cessna 24153, cancel IFR.
November 24153, roger. Your IFR and cancellation is received. Squawk VFR, change to advisory. Take care.
Squawking VFR, we'll talk to you in a little bit on the way out to Mount Vernon 24153.
Roger.
So, because my glide slope did not come alive, I have that flag. It's now a localizer approach only, LNAV. So it's no longer a precision approach, a non-precision approach. It says LNAV here.
Yep.
If it was, so we can only get down to 680. All right, let's slow her down. Flaps 10. And landing lights on. Maintaining 2000 until Dan's. West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 is on a 5-mile final for runway 17 full stop, West Memphis.
West Memphis Municipal Mustang 01 is a P51, 3,500, about 10 miles to the northwest. We'll be going to initial runway 17 left brake, full stop.
And West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 is inside of Dan's on the ILS 17. That's a 5-mile final for 17 West Memphis.
West Memphis traffic, 8167 Whiskey. It's about 10 miles to the north, and we are at 2,500 West Memphis traffic.
Inbound for landing, runway 35.
West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 is on a 4-mile final for 17 full stop, West Memphis. They're landing 35. They're 10 miles out. So hopefully he's not coming in too fast. Why is he landing 35 when me and the other guy are doing 17?
West Memphis traffic. Mustang 1 is a P51 on a 8-mile initial for 17. Left brake, full stop.
And West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 on a 1.5 mile final for 17, full stop, West Memphis. I mean, I am having right crossing.
West Memphis traffic, 8167 Whiskey is approaching the field from the north at about 6 miles, 6.5 miles, and we are inbound for landing 35 West Memphis traffic.
West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 is about a 1 mile final for runway 17. West Memphis, coming behind me.
Sorry, did you say you're using runway 17 for West Memphis?
Yes, sir, short final for runway 17, West Memphis. We're high, but it's a long runway.
Roger, 8167 Whiskey is 5 miles to the north, and rings to be on the 45 for runway 17. What's that?
He's gonna have to go around. He's gonna have to go around. Can you look to your left, see if he just landed?
West Memphis traffic, Mustang 1 in the break, 17, full stop.
West Memphis traffic, Cessna 24153 is clear of the runway, West Memphis. There's nothing coming into my...
Traffic, 167 Whiskey,
That guy
3.5
right
miles
there.
to the north. East of the field, we got the passenger tunnel in sight.
Well, he broke it off, I think, and he came back because he was right on my tail.
Oh, okay.
He was right on my tail.
West Memphis traffic, West Memphis traffic, Navajo, Echo Dallas, 10 north, be straight in, runway 17. Bound to West Memphis, where you at, please?
Cherokee A167 Whiskey is 2.5 miles northeast of the field, and we're actually going to join the 45 and do the left-hand traffic for runway 17.
You're coming in weak, say again.
A167 Whiskey is 2 miles to the northeast of the field, maneuvering to join the 45 for runway 17.
I don't see self-serve fuel, so...
Okay, I'll plan to come in.
Is this guy marshalling me or what?
I
Roger,
can't tell.
appreciate that.
He hasn't
67
waved
Whiskey.
your way. That looks like self-serve.
Yeah. I'm just gonna... I don't know if this guy's just... Is he marshalling me in or what?
Oh. No, he didn't wave at us.
Huh?
He didn't wave at us.
Okay. No, he's coming this way, so I don't know what this deal is.